everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited to share something very special with you today. This is a brand, a new company that I have not experienced yet. I take that back. I actually have tried this particular piece a week ago, and I wore her around, and I love the ability to try something on, wear it around, really get a feel for it prior to doing a review sometimes, because then I can definitely give you my thoughts and feelings on this particular piece or another. And I can tell you that I'm quite impressed with what I have to share with you today. Now, this is a wig. This is a human hair wig, high quality Brazilian human hair wig from Serenity Wigs and Toppers. The owner of this company, her name is Melissa, and she creates custom wigs and toppers, and they're absolutely beautiful. I'll give you a little bit more information on that as we continue, but first off, I want to share with you the packaging, and we'll go from there. So I received this box. Look how pretty. Just a really pretty, heavy duty, nice box that this hair piece was in. And then in that box is a pretty bag. Everything's pretty. So I just can't rant and rave about beautiful packaging, because I feel like sometimes when you receive hair, it just makes the whole experience so much better. I don't know, it's just a fantastic first impression receiving something in something as nice and wrapped up as beautiful as this. As you can see, I just have a wig cap on, wig liner. Some people will wear a wig grip and other forms to keep their hair up and inside of a wig. Like I said, she does create toppers as well. This is a wig, however, this wig does not have a lace front. So much like many toppers, it's best to integrate your front hairline with this wig. So we did choose a color that's very close to my bio hair so I can integrate. And I love this color because ashy tones are sometimes hard to get in human hair, and this is a beautiful ashy color. I haven't colored my bio hair in months. I'm trying to just allow it to grow out. It's a lot less damaging on my fragile strands. So for her to be able to mimic my hair color, especially this kind of, my dad said, he asked if my hair was going gray. I said, no, it's not going gray. It's my dark blonde, dirty dishwater blonde, light brown, grayish brown hair. And luckily those ashy brunettes are kind of popular right now, so hey, I'll take it. This is a gorgeous color. What I love about it is it has some very beautiful subtle highlights all throughout. I'll describe this color as well in just a few. Pulling this hair out of the box, I initially thought, wow, this hair is soft, it's bouncy, it's beautiful, the density feels fantastic. I put this on and I couldn't stop touching my hair. So that's something that I loved. The cap construction is very durable and well made. And another thing is that this actually has a silk top. So that is your most realistic looking top or scalp area on a wig or topper. So let me tell you a little bit about Serenity Wigs and Toppers. The owner is Melissa, and what I love about Melissa is that she started this whole business and this whole journey of hers because she too deals with hair loss herself. And I feel like when someone deals with something like that, they just get it. And a lot of the time, those who choose to make that a passion of theirs and start creating beautiful hair because of something that was once a struggle for themselves, it's because they want others to find that joy and contentment and confidence in what helped them in their journey. And I see that in Melissa, and I know that, you know, her pieces are beautiful, they're high quality, and I'm so proud and happy to share this gorgeous wig with you guys. She told me the why behind Serenity as the name, and she said pretty much the reason why that name came to place is because of that peaceful feeling when you finally find something that makes you feel whole again. And I can vouch and say that that is what alternative hair did for me and my hair loss. It helped me come to terms with it and embrace myself with or without the hair. Definitely gave me peace to know that the alternative hair is there for me and I do have those options, but that I'm okay without it. And I feel like that name, Serenity Wigs and Toppers, definitely represents that peace and comfort that you feel when you finally try and receive something that helps you to feel confident and beautiful again. So let me tell you about this wig. This has a medium cap, and what you have is a silk top right here that is underneath this material, and then the rest is wefting, and it's all enclosed, so that's really nice. You do have your ear tabs, and another thing I love on this is that you have clips on these ear tab area to help secure this wig even more into place. Now if you don't want those there, how easy is it to remove clips? And everything is so customized that you can let Melissa know what you do and do not want in your cap construction. It also has these adjustable straps and an extended nape area. Feels very nice. Oh, and then it also has this nice comb up front at the front hairline. This pretty wig is 20 inches long with slight layering, as you can see. So beautiful. And this is about 125 to 130% density. It actually looks really nice on and has a great realistic look. The density, the cap, if you do a topper, all those things, the base size can be customized. This particular piece, I was told, dries wavy, slightly curly. I have not washed her yet, but I'm quite excited about that type of hair texture because I love it when hair dries with that beachy, curly wave. My own bio hair will dry that way, so I think it's awesome. This color combination is a 6-8, and then you have some number 14 highlights. And they're very subtle, if you can see. Really pretty and give that ashy brunette tone. Just enough dimension with those highlights, if you can see that. So I'm going to put this on, but because this wig does not have a lace front, I am going to utilize the perimeter of my front hairline to blend and integrate, hence the reason why it was wise to choose a color that matches pretty well. And this is something you want to take into consideration when you order a top piece. Of course, you can add highlights, it can be slightly different, but if it blends pretty well, it's going to look more realistic and it's going to look like it's more part of what's growing out of your own head. So I will start out with scooting that wig cap back and pulling some of these little hairs forward. Then what I'll do is I'm going to slide this comb up where that front hairline is, just probably right behind my hairline, since I want to integrate with this hair. And then I'll take the rest of that wig and shimmy it on. Take your ear tabs, make sure they're even on either side of your head. And I can feel those ear tabs and the clips. I haven't clipped them on yet. So what I'm going to do is take some of that bio hair of mine, brush it forward, and then take the clip and snap it shut. That way, if I choose to pull my hair back, or it does blow in the wind, my bio hair is going to be blended with that edge and look even more realistic. And then I'll go ahead and I will do the same thing on the other side. It fits, the medium cap fits my head really, really well. So if you are used to wearing your name brand wigs, I wear an average size cap in most name brand wig companies. And this medium size cap is a perfect fit for me. Just FYI. So now what I'm going to do is make sure that front part of my hairline is integrated really well. Look how well my biological hair matches with this hair on this wig. Alright, so you do notice that this hair looks quite thick compared to that front hairline. My front hairline is quite sparse. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add a little bit of root touch-up. This is by Boost and Blend, and there's many brands of root touch-up powder. You can use fibers. You could even use a little bit of eyeshadow to fill in some sparse areas up front if you want to. And I just think that that will help blend even better than we've already got going on here. Sometimes it just depends on how much loss you have. If you have a hairline that is just fine, you may not need to do this at all. This is medium brown, although it does look a little bit darker than my bio hair, but I think will be just fine. All right. So now, blending your bio hair with your wig or topper at this point, if this is how the cap construction is, where you need to blend your front hairline, that's just kind of all dependent on how you like to wear it. Some people wear a wig base like this, a hair topper, right up to the hairline. Some people wear it a ways back. Mine, I think just right close to that hairline with a little bit of the hair out is plenty for me. And then you just have to play with it to figure out where to part, how it blends the best. But all in all, it doesn't take a lot of effort because this wig is just phenomenal. The hair is soft, it's gorgeous, it's a perfect match. I could grab this hair, part it anywhere I want, do a braid, do a twist back, and it looks really, really real everywhere I part. And the hair quality is amazing. Let me do a full turnaround of this gorgeous, beautiful wig. This type of hair is the type of hair that you cannot stop touching because it feels so nice. So Melissa offers, like I said, custom color wigs and toppers. She can make wigs to fit someone's head by their exact measurements. So it will be fitting your noggin like a glove. Melissa can create toppers of any base size and length and density, and she can create most colors with lowlights and highlights. She offers full hand tied as well as wefted wigs and toppers. Now keep in mind that most orders take about 7 to 10 weeks depending on how complex the order is. You guys, I will have all the links down below to Serenity Wigs and Toppers. They have a Facebook page, an Instagram, and a website. You can also email Melissa at serenitywigs@gmail.com and let me know what you think of this beautiful, beautiful wig. I'm just very, very impressed. This hair is to die for. It's super luscious. It feels like soft, beautiful, healthy, bouncy human hair. Thank you to Melissa for creating such beautiful hair. Thank you for inspiring people and helping people feel peace and comfort despite hair loss. It's just amazing when people go through hardship, struggles, and deciding to take that and help others. And that's exactly what they're doing. Like I said, you guys, all links will be down below. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate everyone here, and I will see you next time. Bye.